Hey everybody, it's Alex with Alex's Addictions and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be opening up my first ever BoxyLuxe and I am so excited about it. For those who don't know, BoxyLuxe, which comes in this big old giant box, it's super heavy compared to the regular BoxyCharm boxes, but it's like an addition to BoxyCharm. So once every 3 months, so like once a quarter, they'll send you this big box and it costs roughly like $30 more. It's like $29 more. That charges in addition to your current subscription. So like every 3 months you're really spending $50 and you get a whole lot more. I'm not sure exactly like how much more product you're supposed to be getting. I want to say it's supposed to be equivalent to $250. And I'm not sure exactly how many products you're supposed to get. This is my first time opening it, so I'm kind of going in blind, but I am just really excited to dive in. I love the regular BoxyCharm because you get, I think 5 full-sized products are always full-sized and occasionally like a big deluxe sample size. This one's huge. This is huge and super heavy. I was so shocked when I first got it. So I have like cut the seal here, but I haven't actually opened the box up yet. So you and I are about to get into that together. Okay, wow, this thing is packed full to the brim. First thing I'm noticing is this card right here that says BoxyCharm Getaway. And on the back, it's got all the product info, but we're not gonna look at that because I like to be surprised. And here's like a bag. It's like a satiny bag. Let's see what's in it. Whoa, what the heck is this? This is a blow dryer. Oh my gosh, look how stinking cute this thing is. Y'all, this is so tiny. And it came with, sorry, everything just kind of like fell on my lap. It came with 2 attachments, like one of those flat attachments and then a diffuser attachment. So that's pretty cool. I'm so excited. Okay, so next thing we've got in our box is this full-sized, living-proof, full dry volume blast. Instant, long-lasting volume and texture. It's a styling and finishing spray. I don't use a lot of hair products. My hair just kind of does whatever it does, but I'm excited to have this. We'll see if I like it. Okay, next thing I'm seeing is a Honeymoon Glow 8HA Resurfacing Night Serum with hydrating honey and gentle flower acids from Pharmacy. Came in this box right here. Wow, this is like fancy. Like, that's a glass bottle. Nice gold cap. Okay, let's see what that feels like. Oh wow, that came out like super white. Let's see if y'all can see it. Sorry, my window is open and it's making it very bright. But yeah, so super like creamy, kind of yellowy white. Ah, that feels nice. I like that. It's very like moisturizing feeling. It smells very like very earthy and I don't know. It's not my favorite scent, though I think I could get used to it. You best believe I'm about to start using this. This is fancy. I don't even know anything about it, but it looks so fancy. So next up, we've got this No Problem Prime Essence, which says it's got flower extracts in it. Oh wow, that's like a long skinny tube with a clear pink cap on it. Looks like the cap screws off. Ooh, okay. Let's see what this is like. Oh, it's like a clear serum. Interesting. Yeah, super liquidy. Prime Essence infused with calendula, something flower extract, tightens up the pores and keeps the skin silky and smooth for better and long-lasting makeup. I don't know, that feels super oily. Like I don't know how this would make your makeup like last longer. It almost feels like your makeup would just slide right off, but maybe once it's fully absorbed. We'll check back in a minute. Okay, so the next thing I've got here is a Clean Biotic pH balanced yogurt cleanser with chlorophyll in it. And the bottle looks kind of dirty. I don't know if y'all can see that, but there's like kind of black stuff on it, which I don't know if that's just from like the inside of the box, but It doesn't look like it's supposed to be there. It's kind of weird. So let's see what this smells like. I don't know if y'all can see this, but it's kind of like almost like a minty green color. I'm trying not to like make it spill out all over my floor, but yeah, it doesn't have too much of a smell. It's not like, it doesn't smell necessarily like good, but it doesn't really have much of a smell. I will say that prime serum has started to kind of absorb, and it does feel like my skin's a little tighter right there, which I guess that's what it's supposed to do. But I just put cleanser all over my hands and don't have anything to wash it off with. So give me a second, I'm gonna go wash this off. Okay, so the next thing that we've got in our box is this Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist Radiant Dew from Skin & Co. Interesting. It says it is enhanced with the antioxidant-rich, soothing, and detoxifying botanical extracts of black winter truffle, rosemary, ginger, peppermint, and Damascena rose. I don't know how to pronounce any of this stuff. This refreshing mist increases radiance while rebalancing the skin's pH, tightening pores, and setting makeup. Interesting. Oh, that's like an intense, it's like a nice mist, but just kind of shoots out really far. Let's see. You can definitely smell the like rosemary and peppermint in it. I feel like that's pretty strong. It feels nice, but it's kind of like a hefty mist, you know? Like I'm worried it's gonna like leave little dots. You know how some sprays will leave like little dots in your makeup? Feels nice though, feels very cooling. I like this, this is good. Okay, so next up from Dominique Cosmetics, we've got strawberry lemonade. Just says strawberry lemonade on the box. Doesn't say what it is. Oh wow, this is like a pink. Oh, I think these are those like lemonade lip glosses from Dominique Cosmetics. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit and put this on just for funsies. My lips are feeling a little dry. So this is that lemonade lip gloss in strawberry lemonade. Let's see if it has a lot of pigment. Okay. I feel like just the right amount of pigment that you'd want in a lip gloss. Like, I don't like when lip glosses are too pigmented because I feel like they can kind of slide all over the place and get messy looking. Oh wow, this like feels really nice. I really like the way that this feels. I feel like it feels very thin, very hydrating, not goopy. That's a good formula. So the next thing I got in here is this giant freaking tube. It says it's from Trestique. I'm assuming that's how you pronounce that. Really have no idea. And it is, what is this? Does this have a lash curler built into it? So this mascara, after you take off the clear cap, there's like a lash curler in here. Oh wow, okay, so you flip down this back part and then it curls that part right there. Okay, that's scary. I don't like that. I don't know how I feel about that. I think it's a cool concept to have your curler and your mascara all in one. But let's see what this mascara looks like. Okay, so it's kind of got that like hourglass shaped bristly brush. I think I might like this kind of brush. It's similar to like the Better Than Sex brush, and I like that one. I think it's fine. So I think this is a cool concept. If it works well, I don't know. I'm just not somebody that uses like a lash curler very often, so I don't know how this one compares to other ones, but it kind of feels like you can't really like press really tight with it. So I don't know. If anyone else has tried this, y'all let me know like what you think about it. Do you like the 2-in-1 combo? The very last thing in our box is this Tarteist Pro Glow Cheek Palette, which I did know that this was coming. So part of being BoxyLuxe, and I think BoxyCharm has just started this, you got to pick what you wanted between 2 different items. So I got to pick between one of the Tarte cheek palettes or something else, but I can't remember for the life of me what the other thing was. But I wanted this. I wanted to try it for a long time. I've been eyeing it, and since it was coming in here, I was like, well, great, now I get to try it. But you didn't know whether or not you were going to be getting a all blush palette or like a blush contour highlight palette. So I'm not sure what this actually is. Comes in this nice, I mean, it's really that like soft packaging. Okay, so you open it up, like there's like little doors here. Oh, and I just dug my finger into that little bronzer shade. Dang it. Okay, I'm gonna move these mirrors around, but you have these 2 like little mirrors here. I'm just gonna put them in the back for now. And then, so this is what you get. You get 2 blush colors, 2 like highlight shades, and then 2 kind of bronzer contour shades. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a couple swatches of these to show you guys like what we're working with here. So we'll just kind of go across the, so we're just gonna go across the top. Here is kind of the pinkier blush. Oh, well, that's a little chalky, but that was a really intense swatch for a blush. Then we've got the more kind of like mauve-y purpley tone blush. Then we've got the highlighter that's a little bit more like pinky toned. Oh, that's really pretty, I like that. Then we've got kind of a more goldy bronzy tone highlighter. Okay, that's probably gonna be a little dark for me, at least for my actual cheeks. Then we've got the cooler toned, it looks almost shimmery, but I think like on my finger it doesn't, so maybe it's just like a little bit of an overspray. Yeah, that doesn't look, like maybe a little bit of a sheen to it, but nothing crazy. And then here is the warmer toned bronzer. Okay, so I just shut my curtain on my window, so hopefully you guys can see these swatches like a little bit better, but here they are. I think that these are really pretty. I do think that last one's gonna be hella orange for my skin, but I think that one's gonna turn out fine if I shear it out. The highlights look good. I think that one right here is gonna be more suited for my skin color. The other one looks a little dark, and then the blushes will be fine if I shear them out a little bit. So yeah, overall I'm pretty excited about this. I feel like this is gonna be a good little like travel buddy for me. All right guys, so my first BoxyLuxe. What did y'all think? I got so much freaking stuff. I've got this right here, which has all of the products listed on it as well as their pricing, so you can see exactly how much you would have paid for all of these individually had you bought them. So let's get into it. So the first thing on here is the Tarte Pro Glow Cheek Palette Volume 3. And it says it is $45 for this, which I believe it. Tarte can be kind of expensive. And right there, I mean, your box is $50. So right here, this almost pays for your whole thing. So that's pretty cool. Next up, you have the Touch in Sol No Problem Prime Essence, which is $23. Then you have the Dominique Cosmetic Lemonade Lip Gloss, which is $17. Then you have the Mini Turbo On The Go Dryer, which is $85. $85. That's crazy. Well, this already pays for way more than your actual box, so that's pretty cool. Next up, you have the Yogurt Cleanser, which is $35. Then you have the AHA Resurfacing Night Serum, which is $58, and I believe that too. Serums are so expensive, like for really nice quality ones, and this one comes in really nice packaging, so I believe it. 58 bucks. Then you have the Full Dry Volume Blast, which is $29. Then you've got the Good Vibes Mascara, which is $25. Then you've got the Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew Mist, which was $35. Okay, so altogether for all these products, it is $352. That's nuts considering you spent 50 bucks. So overall, I am just super happy with this. I'm so excited I signed up for this. I know it's a little bit more money, but you're getting a lot more products. Now I can, you know, I've got a cleanser to use when mine runs out. I've got, you know, a new lip gloss to use. Not that I needed it, but I got it now, and I've got a new contour cheek kit. I'm just excited about it overall, and also this travel blow dryer. I'm about to go on a trip next month, and so I'm very excited to have that to bring along with me. So y'all let me know, like, what do you guys think about the BoxyLuxe? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Is it worth it for you guys? I think that's kind of what it all boils down to with subscription boxes is, yeah, it's only $50 and you're getting $352 worth of stuff, but is it stuff you're going to use? Is it still worth that $50 for you? You know what I mean? I think that's going to vary from person to person. Personally, I think this stuff is awesome. I'm really excited about using it. There are a couple things I probably won't get any uses out of, like that mascara. It just doesn't really seem like my thing. It's very clunky and doesn't want to fit in a makeup bag really easily. You know, it's really big. And then that volumizing spray, I just don't use a lot of hair care products. So you guys let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought about this. And if y'all have gotten BoxyLuxe before, did you get the same stuff that I just got? You know, what do you hope that they'll include in it next month? Whatever you guys want to talk about, just leave it in the comments down below. And I hope you guys like this video. And if you do, give this video a thumbs up, maybe hit that subscribe button, something like that. That would be awesome. I'm still very new here and trying to figure out this whole YouTube thing. So anyway, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.